Hi, I'm Tristan and you're watching Big Faces and Briefcases. Today I have an unboxing video for you and I'm very excited to present my newest out of my all diesel collection. It is phenomenal. This watch is very popular. It's sold out a couple times on the Diesel website, which is why I had to reach out to Tic Tac Arena and order online. Now it's my first time doing so, but I've heard great reviews. So I'm excited to see what they have shipped to me today and see whether it's authentic, whether it's real, what we got. So let's get right down to it. It's time to see what's in the box. Okay, now we're down to the Diesel packaging, and as you can see, it's authentic. It has the embossed lettering going on, the vented top, as well as the manufacturer sticker on the bottom. Open it up, and there it is. Wow, would you look at that? So shiny. Give you a quick look. Wow. Now, this watch I was really motivated to add this to the collection because it has the raised lettering on the band, which I think is really cool. It's unique. You can see it has the Diesel logo there on the clasp, as well as another logo, Diesel, right there again. It's a very nice silicone band. It has the D for Diesel. We'll take a look at the clasps and everything. Now you can see that it has a printed pattern on the back side of the band, which is authentic, so that's very good. I think one of the biggest eye catchers on this bad boy is the fact that it has the raised lettering on the band. It's a silicone band, both red and black. You can see how they inlaid the red in there. It's very nice. I think it's going to be very durable. Everything looks authentic. It has the model number, has the tribal Ohawk looking guy there, the warrior, the Diesel warrior, only the brave, 3-bar. So stay tuned, guys. I have a up close video on the watch coming soon of the inner workings and mechanisms of the watch, and it will give you a nice look at just exactly what's going on in the watch face. It's a very photogenic watch, so for any of you guys out there who are collecting Diesel watches like me, I would highly suggest adding this to your collection. This is a must-have. Very popular in the year 2020. I don't think it's available anymore on the Diesel website, so I highly stress that you find this watch before it's no longer available to you from a retailer. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.